So I get a lot of questions about where I'm going. A lot of people are curious, so I thought I would do a little video on that. I'm going to try to make it quick, but you know, I don't know, I get talking. So where I'm moving, I actually went on this listing appointment, and it was a multifamily right in downtown Berwick. And if you know anything about me, you know that I have devoted many years of my life to the planning board for Berwick, as well as other stuff, but a lot of planning board stuff, and a lot of the I participated, I think, in every single facet of the design of downtown Berwick and the planning part for that. So from like a long time ago, 2011, I think, when we started that. So I've been participating from the beginning. Anyway, that doesn't matter. What matters is I went on this listing appointment for a multifamily in downtown Berwick, and it's a great property. It's a 3-unit. It is right downtown. And when I went back to my office afterward, I'm always talking to my colleagues about what's going on. We're always talking about real estate because you just never know, you know, what can come up. So I was talking to them and I said, wow, this would be a really great owner occupied investment. It's two bedroom units up top and one large apartment on the bottom floor. It's on a great lot. It's like, the location is awesome. And so they were like, yeah, that's cool. And I was going up to my listing in Waterboro, and I was driving, and I was like, this would be, I actually thought to myself, this would be perfect for a single woman or a single person, single mom, whatever, trying to get into investment properties. So one thing about investment properties that you might not know is that the rental income from the units that are rentals, if you're going to own or occupy, counts toward your debt to income ratio. So I actually just got my son pre-approved for multifamily. Same thing, you know, he makes a certain amount of money a year, but if we find a property that's bringing in $3,000 a month in rental income, that adds $36,000 a year to his income. Anyway, I digress. So I'm driving to my listing, and I call my boyfriend, and I'm like, I am like sick to my stomach because I feel like I should buy this. Like I literally was like physically ill thinking that I'm the one that's supposed to be buying this property. And oh my God, that means I have to and I don't have to sell my house, but I'm going to make my life a little bit easier. But oh my God, that means moving my family out of this house that we've really obviously I love where I live, and I'm not going to cry doing this video, but I love where I live, and I've put a lot of myself into it. And I have struggled to keep this house sometimes. I mean, real estate, it looks glamorous and like we make tons of money and whatever, but there are months where I couldn't make my mortgage payment on time. There are months when it was like, you know, how are we going to buy groceries? So it's been a struggle. And so I've kind of grown up, my kids and I have grown up together in this house, I feel like. Anyway, I was like, really like, I don't know. I was having a hard time. I was like, oh my God, I feel like I should buy this property. So I'm like, well, let me just do a market analysis on it, do the whole thing just like I was going to list it. And so I did that, and I presented it to the seller, who owns a lot of investment properties. And I thought about it for a while, and I talked to my lender, and I was like, hey, is this doable? And he's like, yeah, totally. And then I said, my dogs are growling outside my door. And so then I called the seller. I think I went down and saw him, and I was just like, listen, here's the deal. Here's the value of this property. Here's how much you're going to have to pay me in commission if I list to this property. And here's how much you're going to net. Now, I am personally interested in it. Here's my pre-approval. I'm very able to buy this property. I'm interested. And if you sold it to me for this price, which is less than market value, you're actually gonna net more money than if I listed it and sold it. So he agreed. We put together a really clean contract. It was very easy to negotiate, although it took a little bit longer than I think a traditional negotiation. And then I quickly had to get my house on the market because I don't necessarily want to carry 2 mortgages. But so that's where I'm going. I'm not moving to Florida. Everybody thinks I'm going to Florida. I know some people are going to be real disappointed that they're still going to see me around town, but you'll see me downtown Berwick walking my dogs. And I'm really excited because I think investing in downtown is one of the best moves anybody can make right now. And I also think that buying a single family home is not a good move right now. Like I said, I got my son pre-approved to buy a multifamily. I'm telling all my friends buy multifamilies, trying to find some stuff that's not on the market for people to buy. But that's the story. That's where I'm going. You're not getting rid of me. I am in the very, very, very final stages of packing right now. It's been a super stressful week. My dogs ate like a whole chocolate bar yesterday when we were away for a couple of days. We got home and they literally ate a whole chocolate bar. So it's like everything that can go wrong is going wrong, and it's cool. We're handling it, but that's that. I'm not going far, guys. So I'm gonna finish packing. If you are interested in something like that, if you're looking at getting into investing, I talk to people all the time. Please shoot me a message. I can negotiate great deals. I've negotiated great deals for clients in the past. I've helped people manage their properties. I've helped people with renovations. I know this business. I know what you can do. I know the tax benefits of doing it. So please feel free to reach out to me. And if you have a single family home that you're looking to buy or sell also, I'm happy to help. You know, I got mortgage to pay too now. You guys have a great day. You'll see me tomorrow.